Hello, and welcome to our third day. So, as you know, when you come here to our main page, you can find Welcome to Fall Semester. Then you will click Week 1. We are in our third day. So, day 1, September 7th, check, we did it. Day 2, September 8th, check, we did it. We are now on our third and last day of this week, day 3, Thursday, September 9th. Learning one new thing every day. So let's see what you have to do. So first, remember you'll watch this video that you're watching now. Then we'll click synchronous because we have class together. So we will see what we will do together. So we have quite a few things to do. We're going to add our Carlos Rosario Gmail on our phone, review some Zoom features, compare and contrast pandemic activities, review class routines, and review a speaking rubric to monitor progress in speaking. Okay, so that's what we'll do today. And here's a list of what we're doing. Here are all the activities. Now, now we're going to go to asynchronous, our homework for today. And as I told you, because it is Thursday, our homeworks are a little longer than the other days of the week. So you have 3 activities. The first one, you will do a discussion post, what I learned today. So remember to always read everything before you post. So you're going to tell us what you learned about Zoom or Gmail, be very specific, and then type your answer here in the chat, in the comment box, or you can record your voice or do a video. All right, you always have that option. Your second activity is another discussion post. So this is a continuation of our lesson that we'll do about the speaking rubric. And you're going to watch a video and you're going to critique it using the rubric. Okay, so you're going to say, after you watch the video here, so here's first you read everything, then you'll watch the video for the second time because we will watch the video in class already. Okay, so I can explain more that way, but you'll click on this video and you will join with Google and select your Carlos Rosario email and watch this video. So as you're watching the video, you will, think about the rubric. Is the voice loud and clear? You need room for improvement. It's good or excellent, and explain why, right? So you can type something. I think Dolly's voice, Dolly is the speaker, is excellent category because she was clear and I understood everything she said. So you're going to give a rating, your personal rating for each category: voice, eye contact, body language, and background. So you would pick each one and say why you chose that. And you type it here in the comment section, or you can use audio or video. Okay, that's it for this assignment. And the last one is a fun assignment. You're going to do a sorting activity. And you will click here and you have 2 categories. The categories are in color. So you just move the categories and you just click and drag. So you read each one of these and you put where it goes. Okay. Where do you think it goes? All right, that's it. That's all you do. You don't have to turn anything in to me. If you want, you can take a screenshot, send it in Remind, but you don't have to send me proof. All right. I just trust that you do it. And that's it for our async assignments. And that's it for day 3, Thursday, September 9th. If you have any questions, just let me know. Good luck.